Good morning, Chesterland. And those of you that go to St. Anselm's in Chesterland, you're closed. Kids at the bus stop, those of you that are heading out, yes, some of you are going to be shoveling your way to that sidewalk. Temperatures in the 30s, and we've had snow overnight. We continue to see snow in spots this morning. Here's what you need to know. Snow is going to be ending from west to east, still windy, and we've got thousands of power outages to report. Geneva schools closed. I think I saw Ashtabula closed today. We are going to get into some clearing by this afternoon, and I'll tell you, it's kind of a twofold story here with these closings this morning, because I'm guessing that some of this is due to power outages, some due to the snow. In spots, you're waking up with, upwards of 4 to 6 inches. In others, it's pretty decent. It really just depends. We're all lit up on our watch warning map. We've got winter storm warnings that remain in place through 10 a.m. for Ashtabula, Lake, Geauga counties. Winter weather advisories for some of you. Flash flood advisories in place for others. We had over 1.5 inches of rain at Hopkins yesterday and about 2.5 inches of snow, and that took us up till midnight. And of course, it continues to fall here as we head through this morning. So we'll get closer in. Snow is really all through eastern Cuyahoga and Geauga County, Lake, Ashtabula, Summit, south into Akron. You're dealing with the snowy weather, and we're also seeing it in a good part of Portage County this morning. So closer in here from Mayfield Heights into Solon, where schools are closed in both of those districts. Auburn, Bainbridge, Chagrin Falls, very snowy into Chardon. Here we are shifting our view a little further south, and you can see the snow coming down from Hudson through Akron. And just a reminder that we will keep those school closings scrolling at the bottom of your screen, because they'll continue to come in, especially over the next hour. Over the next 12 hours, we are going to start to dry things out, and I even think we'll be talking some sunshine at the very least by later this afternoon, if not a bit before. But it's going to remain cold. It's going to remain brisk. Wind advisories have been dropped, but it is still very windy. Not quite advisory criteria anymore, but that's why we've seen so many power outages, plus the heavy wet snow that we dealt with when we had the changeover last night. So this is a snapshot from 8 this morning. It is still snowing to the east, including, eastern Cuyahoga into a good part of Geauga and Portage counties. By 9, we see most of that out of here, and then we dry out. So the rest of the day is looking just very chilly, and it'll be brisk enough that it won't even feel like it's in the low to mid 30s. Wind chills will more than likely be 20s to even teens at times today. So it's a wintry Friday for sure. We get into your Saturday, and we are going to talk very quiet weather, but it will remain cold for this time of the year. Highs tomorrow only expected in the 30s to around 40 degrees. The good news is we're going to see much more sunshine heading into the weekend, and at the very least, we'll call it a bit more seasonal. By early next week, we're warming up into the 50s again before we get colder by next Thursday in the 30s, Lena.